Welcome to our 11th ball mini fridge challenge. Let's open it up. Subscribe, comment, like, and share for more. Let's pop it up. There it goes. Let's find our magnet. We have a new one. Let's stick it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages. For our first, we have a new Panda Express, a new flavor of fried rice. For our second, wow, we have a new one, a bottle of milk. Third, another new one. We have the Cool Whip whipping cream. Fourth, there's our first duplicate, the lobster. For our fifth, we have the Pizza Hut wings. We have the chicken wings, a new one. And for our sixth, another kombucha, a duplicate. Let's take a pic from our fridge. There it goes. Follow me for more, guys. Thanks for watching.